Hello! Now we're going to take a little tour of the Achieve 3000 Castle so you can see the 5 steps that you will do every time to complete an article. Let's get going. So you know that you did your level set test on the computer, but from now on you'll be able to do Achieve 3000 on your iPad. There's an app on your iPad for Achieve. It's got a yellow background with this little, cartwheel guy in red on it, and you'll just open that Achieve app and you'll be able to get started there. Now it may ask you to log in, and if it does, you know how to do that now. So you just type in your information. Be very careful about that and make sure you've got those dots and numbers exactly right, and click login. You might not have to do that every time. Your iPad might actually remember you, but if it asks you for that information, all you have to do is click it. So I'm logging in. Mine may look a little different than it looks on your iPad because I am working off of a computer. That's the best way for me to record it. Okay, so here's what Achieve 3000 looks like. When you log in, now that you've done your level set test, you're going to start seeing articles. And right here, I've got 2 different articles. This one's called Factory Art, and there's the button to get started. And this one's called For the Love of Legos, and there's a button to get started there too. You may have more than one article, and unless your teacher tells you which one to do, you can do either one. For our BridgeQuest article that we're going to do together, we're going to do For the Love of Legos because I really, really love Legos. So I'm going to click Start Lesson. Right now I'm just giving you a quick tour, and then later we'll go through each step one at a time. Now, when you first get to it, mine was on the thought question, but that's because I've been here before. When you first get to it, it'll be on this first tab with the number 1. There are 5 steps to doing an Achieve article, and you should be familiar with them because we've been doing them in BridgeQuest. So the first step is the before reading poll. You'll read the statement, say if you agree or disagree, and then type your answer in. The next step is to read the article, and as soon as you go to it, you're going to see some vocabulary words. It's really important you pay attention to those and write them down, and when you're done, you can click the X. Read the article. Be careful because there are 2 pages to this article, so you can click the 2 or you can click the arrow. Read the rest of it, and then you're ready to go on to the activity. You want to read it very carefully. The activity is where you will answer questions. There will always be 8 questions for you to answer. I think always there will be 8. So answer the questions, be very careful about them, do the very best you can. Step 4 is the after reading poll. You read the statement, decide if you agree or disagree. It's the same statement. Again, we're just trying to find out if the article maybe changed your opinion. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. There's no right or wrong answer. And now the thought question. You'll read this statement and type your answer into this box below. So you'll complete those 5 steps every time you work on Achieve, reading a different article each time. Check off the tour and continue on to the before reading poll. I'll walk you through each step of your first article.